Wow, volley here. And the Frankensaw. Guys, let's have a look at this mess. Okay, so I am aware that it is a crap camera angle. There's not a lot I can do about that. I might move you to the back. Okay, we got some wind damage here. So what I have is I have this tree here has uprooted. Okay, I'm probably compromised the roots of this one here, the Scots pine beside it, and you can see, guys, it looks like there's a slight lean on it going back towards my neighbour. So what I'm going to do is I need to get rid of this one first, and then decide what I'm going to do there. Okay, I have a rope in it already. But anyway, that is it. Now, Bruno, saw's on, away with you. Stay tuned, I suppose. Judged that all wrong, completely wrong. I would have thought tension on top, or compression on top, tension on the bottom, which is generally the way it is. Now what I got to do is I got some wedges, I got to wedge this out, wedge this bar out, and then I got to tickle. I do have another saw, so if things go wrong, bugger is the word I think you used there. That's jammed in there. Now, class crack. I wonder, can I move the saw a bit? actually think I'm jamming that saw in there more. Let me try it now. Try it from the other side. Right, I gotta release this. Okay, that went horribly wrong. Not the start I was looking for. What happened there? Thinking about it. Okay, so I didn't read the compression right. Basically, I imagined that it was going to be like it is now, right? Like it is now, which is something that I do all the time, right? So I deal with trees like this all the time. Now, what actually had happened is that the root plate was pulling it this way as well. So instead of it just sitting on the ground with the compression on this side and the tension on this side, okay, it was the opposite. So I should have realized that when I put my first cut in. So I'm going to clean this up, guys. I'm going to leave this as a separate video, I think. What could I have done differently? Let's get in the comments, guys. I know you're going to rip me a new one for this anyway, but let me know what you think, how I could have prevented that from happening again, okay? So anyway, look, I'll leave that one there. Thanks for watching. Whew, stay frosty.